Welcome to Code with Vinod. In this video, we will learn Taint and Toleration. So in this diagram, we can see we have two nodes and we have two ports P1 and P2. So let's say if I talk about Taint, so Taint we apply on the nodes and toleration we apply for pods. So what is the meaning of Taints? So let's say, so it's a kind of policies, we can say we have applied. It's a kind of filter policies we have applied on any node. So when we will try to create any pod, or with the help of means directly pod, or with the help of any deployment kind of service, so it should contain the same policy related to given taint on any node. So a toleration we will apply on pod. So to break that policy, let's say we have applied some taint using this command. So this command we use to apply taint on any node. So kubectl taint nodes, then node name, and we apply the taint with the help of, let's say, some key value, after then values, key and values, then we will give effect. So effect we will apply like this. So let me remove this hyphen. We will discuss later about this. So with the help of this key we will apply tent on any node, and then we will try to create the pod. So if we don't have a given the toleration to the node, sorry, to the pod, so it will not create on tented node. So we will see the actual demo. So before that, let me explain uh, some toleration ways. So we have, first is we will give the key. Operator is exist, and in case if operator is exist, so it means uh, if in the tent we have given some value, so and on pod we have given operator exist, so we no need to take care about the value. So here could be any value, but it will check the effect. But in case if operator is equal, then it will check both the value, means on the tented node it will check key, means value, and effect, both these things. Then if all these things are equal to, then code will create on that tented node. So and apart from this we have some kind of effect. We have no execute, we have no schedule, and we have prefer no schedule. So in case of no execute, let's say some pods are running inside this node, and we have applied this tent on this node, so it will terminate all the existing pods. And in case of no schedule, so this policy we use, let's say, it will not it will means stop to schedule new pods on that given node. And in case of prefer no schedule, so it is kind of, it will prefer to stop the scheduling, but here could be possibility to schedule the pod. So let's see the demo. Let me go in PowerShell and let me get the pods, if it is there or not. So no pods is there. So first of all, let me apply some tent on node. So let me get the node first. Kubectl get nodes. So we have three nodes. So let's apply. So uh, let me apply the tent on first node. So our tent is this. So this is our node name, kubectl tent nodes and node name, after then key value, and then key, then value, and then effect. So effect is no execute. So let me apply this. So we have tented, and let's try to create some pod using deployment. So I have already opened one configuration file. So this is our deployment configuration file, and we will specify the toleration inside the spec section. So in the toleration we have, let's say, we have given the operator equal to, so it will check both the value and effect. And in our toleration we have given key is equal to 1, key 1 and value 1, and here is same. So in this case it will create tent everywhere, but if I change the key and value, let's say 2, and save. So let's check. Let's try to apply this deployment, and let's check the pods hyphen o then wide. So we can see here pods means 5 pods is created on the uh, 2 nodes, means bp and bp1, but we have applied tent on this bp2, so we are not able to create the ports on that one. So let me change. If I give the key is equal to 1 and control s, let me apply this again deployment, and let's check. So before that let me delete some pod. Delete pod. So let me delete this pod. Okay, we have configured. Let's check again the pod. So here let me delete some pod to create the pod on pp2, sorry 6b2 node. Let me delete this one, because pod could be created on any node, so we are not specifying any node here. But let me delete this pod. So it should create on 6 b2. So let's wait for that. So we have deleted the pod. So let's check if our pod is created. So again it is not created. So if I delete the deployment, and then we will able to see, we will get deployment. We will delete this deployment, delete deployment, and apply again. So before this, that let's check key 1 value 1, key 1 value 1, and apply. So let's check if our pods are created on tainted node. So this is some kind of server speed issue. So let's check again. So now this same issue, still we are not able to. So issue was the value is small, so it is case sensitive. So let's check again. Let me delete the deployment again, and let's create it again. Get the pod. So now we can see we have created a pod on tented node as well. So let's try to apply the tent on this node. So let's see, means service means port should delete from this node. So let's go. So let me take it up. So let me copy this node and apply the tent, and I am giving the value is equal to 2. So in this case it should uh, terminate. So now we can see our ports are terminated from this node. So this is the means benefit of Taint and Toleration. So let's check if anything is left. So we will check with no schedule. So, okay, before that we will check exist. So if I give here exist, and in this case value will be empty. So if I apply this deployment, then it will also create on this tented node, because it will not take care about the value. So let me delete this deployment. So we have deleted the deployment. Let me apply again and check the pods. So now we can see our pods are created on every node. Node means B1, B1, B2 and BP. So this is completed, I think. So you can try on these effect as well. So in case any issue, please comment me in comment section. Thanks for watching.